Hi everyone, so in this video I am going to tell you that how you can delete such files which is not possible to delete on Google Drive application if you go through the normal process, right? For example, let me show you that. Okay, for example, these are the files. Okay, these are the files. Okay, these are the files which are not possible to delete. Why? We will not go to the region why it will not delete. We just uh, follow the step and delete file. This will be our ultimate aim, right? So how to delete this file, this is our goal, right? Consider this, right? If I click on this three dots, so you will not get any option to delete this file. So what you have to do this, for example, if I click on this particular file, so I will get option to remove or delete, but when I am clicking these files, for example these, I am not getting to remove or delete file. So what I will do to delete this file, we have to follow some other process. So what you have to do, you have to go on the Chrome browser, you have to search there on Chrome or any browser you can use, and you have to search there Google Drive. So here is your option, you have to click here. Then after searching, you have to go on this website. Here you hope you are getting free cloud and this one website, right? Okay, so you have to go on this website. So click on this website. After getting, you will get such type of interface. So what you have to click, you have to go here. Okay, after going there, you have to click on there, and now you will get desktop site. Okay, look here, desktop site, here is the desktop site. So you have to click this desktop site. Okay, you have to check this, right? So what I will do, I will check this. So what type of interface I will get, I will get such type of interface. So what you have to do, you have to select, now you have to select go to drive. Now after doing this, you have to select go to drive. If you will select before doing converting it into desktop site, it will maybe occur problem. Okay, so you have to select this after converting it into desktop site. After selecting, just click on go to drive. So after clicking, you will get two options. First one is the drive, second one is the Chrome. So you have to select Chrome option. After selecting Chrome option, you will come into your drive. So what you have to do, you have to select desktop site again. So after selecting desktop site, you will get such type of interface, that is your desktop site, right? So what you have to do, whatever file you have to delete. For example, I have some file in the start, so I will click on the start. Not I think I have some file in the side with me. Yeah, side with me, these are the files which I have here, right? So I have to delete some files from this. Okay, so what I will do, I will simply I will just click on this file. After clicking, okay, wait, when, if you want any file delete, for example I have to delete, I want to delete class 12th history file. So I will click on that, and now look here, just look here, you will get option of delete box. Okay, so you have to click on that box. Okay, so I will click on this delete box. So look here down, your file is deleted. Just wait. Yeah, so your file is deleted. Let me show you some other example again. So for example, and again if I have to look, again if I have to delete class 1 11th history, I have to select on this by clicking. Clicked on that, it is selected. Now I have to click here. Okay, so I will click and look down, what here showing, removing one file. So your file will be removed. Okay, so this will happen. In this way you can delete your any file. So hope you will like this video. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you can comment on the comment box. Thank you.